This is quiz 6, question 1 for Alexander Hassenstaub. Okay, to start we will import our random module and define our function. Roll 2 dice, and here's our function. For twice I put n equals 2. Alright, to start our list, return list equals open parentheses. This is just to define the list, we'll add functions to it later. For I in range n was 2 again, we append to the list a random integer from 1 to 6. So we find a random integer, append it to the list, and we do this twice because n equals 2. We return our list, and then we print out our function roll 2 dice. Here it is. Alright, 6 and 3. 2 random integers between 1 and 6. Right, let me show you that this is random. I'll do it again. Okay. There we go, 3 and 3. Can run it one more time, just to be sure. 5 and 6. Okay, done.